In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add feedback to responses in Google Forms quizzes. This is a fantastic feature to enhance your form, turning it from a simple survey into a dynamic learning tool. Whether you're a teacher wanting to give students immediate feedback on their quiz answers or a manager offering insights on a training assessment, this walkthrough will guide you step by step on how to do just that. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms in your search bar and clicking on the link that says Google Forms, free online surveys for personal use. Once you're on the main page, sign in using your Google account if you're not already logged in. You'll now find yourself on the Google Forms dashboard. If you have an existing quiz, feel free to open it. However, if you need to create a new one, click on the blank quiz template available in the Start a New Form section. This template is specifically designed for quizzes and includes all the necessary settings you'll need. With your quiz open, look at the top right corner of the page and locate the gear icon. Clicking on it will open up the settings menu. Ensure you're in the Quizzes tab, which will allow you to toggle on the option labeled Make this a quiz. Once that's active, you'll notice additional settings appear, like point values, missed questions, and correct answers, which enhance your quiz's functionality. Next, go to one of your multiple choice questions, or add a new one if necessary. You'll see at the bottom of each question there's an answer key button. Click on this, and you'll find options to assign points to that question and, importantly, add feedback for both incorrect and correct answers. When you select Add Answer Feedback, a window will pop up providing spaces for you to personalize the feedback. Use the Incorrect Answers section to offer hints, explanations, or resources for your participants who might need a little extra help. Similarly, the Correct Answers area is an opportunity to provide positive reinforcement or additional encouragement for those who got it right. After you've crafted your feedback, click Save, and don't forget to adjust any other settings on the question as needed. Repeat this process for each question in your quiz, ensuring every response opportunity is adorned with thoughtful feedback. Before you wrap up, make sure to preview your quiz using the eye icon at the top. This allows you to walk through the quiz as a participant and ensures everything looks and functions how you intend it to. Once satisfied, you can send the quiz out by clicking the Send button. Share it via email, direct link, or embed into a web page, and watch how your feedback transforms the learning experience for everyone who participates. There you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add feedback to your Google Forms quizzes, providing an enriching experience for every respondent. Happy form creating!